car scanner OBD2. Selected brand BMW. Reading faults. Stand by. Fault codes detected. Late night driving, dashboard glowing. Something wrong, but I keep rolling. Engine talking in the language code. Every fault got a story told. Trying hard to reach my destination. Warning lights become a conversation. Every signal leaves a trace. Every code I gotta face.
O2 sensor heater circuit. O2 sensor heater circuit.
Oxygen lost inside the flow. Something deep I didn't know. Fuel and air don't dance the same. Every mile feeds the flame.
Camshaft position sensor B.
Circuit intermittent. I lost the signal, lost the way. Trying hard to make it stay. Engine searching for the line, but the timing ain't aligned. Every code got something to say. Every fault leads me the way. Read the signs before it's late. Small mistakes decide your fate. Every code got something to say. Every fault leads me the way. Read the signs before it's late. Small mistakes decide your fate.
Misfire cylinder 5. Misfire cylinder 5.
Cylinder 5 fell out the fight. No more spark inside the night. Fuel cut off, computer knows. 1 weak link and pressure grows. Trying hard but losing ground. Silent failure, silent sound. Every system has a cost. Ignore the signs and all is lost.
Fuel control mixture lean.
Bank 1, sensor 1. Bank 1, sensor 1. Running lean on bank 1 side. Something hidden trying to hide. Vacuum leak or broken seal. Every symptom starts to feel real. Every code got something to say. Every fault leads me the way. Read the signs before it's late. Small mistakes decide your fate. System too lean, that's the call. Ignore it now and watch it fall. Engine breathing way too hard. Every warning leaves a scar. Not every problem needs new parts. Sometimes wisdom is where it starts. Check the intake.
Check the CCV.
Check the vacuum lines.
Check the F sensor.
Check for air leaks.
Do not replace everything.
Find the cause.
Not the symptom.
System scan complete.
Drive safe.
Drive safe.